Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with backup camera ready, outside shower, quad step entry, front rock guard, full walk-on roof, outside kitchen cabinets and drawers, outside speakers, electric awning, outside kitchen refrigerator, sink, and 2-burner range, LED exterior lighting, spare tire and carrier, outside storage, power tongue jack, solar power prep, triple slides, flip down travel rack, USB charging station, overhead storage, sofa hide-a-bed with drop down bunk, shower skylight, walk around queen bed, pull out spray faucet, bathroom cabinet with mirror, bathroom has private entrance to the outside, big corner shower, TV hookup in bedroom, storage drawers under each booth, upper bunk windows, pleated shades. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.